On today's episode of The Living Wall, it's actually not the wall today. I built this garden bed today. I moved these heavy fucking railroad ties. And then I planted, get that out of my way, a multi-grafted pear tree. This is the Ayers pear, and this is the Asian giant. That's a goji berry. Those are strawberries. And there's this big hole in the railroad tie, and I thought it'd be cool to pack that with dirt and strawberries. And then this is I think it's a New Haven peach tree and a thornless blackberry. So, and I had to put this fence up to keep Mr. Man from tromping through it. This is my Chicago Hardy fig tree with 4 strawberries. And yes, these are just painted rocks to distract the birds. My sister came by yesterday and said she found a yellow-bellied slider in her yard, and then she brought it to me. So I put it in here to buy me some time so I could call like the DNR people or whatever and figure out what to do with it, because oh, goldfish. That's cool. Hadn't seen them in a long time. That was a nice surprise. I also got all the tire potters condensed into this area by the porch so that I can start cutting them down to just basically like the barrel, cutting this top and bottom part off so I can use them as potters that don't hold water, because like you can see I tried drilling holes in them. I'm gonna let you know that didn't work. That was a waste of time and energy. I've been working on this area next to my barn. It was really overgrown with vines, and there was like a big broken yard umbrella thing right here, and I managed to get a lot of that stuff cleared out. It's still obviously not great, but I'm working on it. I'm working on getting this trash cleaned up on my porch too. I rented a dumpster. It's going to be here in a couple days, and I got to take that to over here with the other bulky items that's going to go in the dumpster. The dumpster's going to get parked outside that gate, so I figured that was a good place to put them. I forgot about this pile of branches. It's got to go. On the other side of the pond where this giant pile of saplings is, looks like he's hunting moles. I get to turn this into mulch, and all these are too big for my chipper, so I figured they make nice support poles for the garden. Isn't that nice? Free support and free mulch. So I gotta take all these, cut it down to basically just straight pieces so it can fit in the chipper. Get them moles, Chance. Good boy. Because this is the mulch that it does make. Homegrown organic mulch. There's a couple more cold days, and then I'm gonna cut down at least the apple tree over there so that I can graft on my scions. And I checked the air layering on my cherry tree, and it's still not got roots, so that's a waiting game still. He really wants them moles. And I'm going to clean out the closet in this room and set up a mycology lab so that I can grow morels. There's a bunch of stuff in here that needs to go in the dumpster too. In the dumpster I got coming, I have stuff piled all in front of the garage waiting to go in it. So much work. Thanks for watching today's episode on The Living Wall, even though it didn't have anything to do with the living wall.